to use the Royal Enfield app with the Tripper navigation unit on your mobile phone. If you're using Android, go to the Play Store and in the search bar type Royal Enfield. Choose the Royal Enfield app and click Install. I've already installed it, so mine just says Open. Go to your main apps menu and search for the Royal Enfield app and click it to open. To pair your Tripper unit to your phone, click on the helmet icon. It will then scan for the Bluetooth Tripper unit. You need to make sure that the bike is turned on at this point and the Tripper unit has booted up. It will then show RE_display in your list. Click on that because that is the name that is given to the Bluetooth on the Tripper unit. Once this has been found, you then go back to the navigation screen and the helmet will be green, showing that the device is connected, and the clock on your phone will sync to the clock on the Tripper unit on the bike and they'll show the same time. At this point, your phone is now paired with the Tripper unit and you can go and select your destination. Click on the destination box and type in a destination. I'm going to type in Exeter. It's 37 miles away. There's also lots of different options that I can choose, like any normal sat-nav. I click on Exeter and then get directions at the bottom of the screen. It shows me the route that I'm going to navigate, and it also gives me the option to add extra waypoints. If this is all correct, I click Navigate. This will then connect to your device, which it won't in my case because I don't have it on. Once you hit Navigate, it will automatically send the information to the screen on the Tripper unit of your bike, and you're free to start your journey. Turn-by-turn information will be displayed on the Tripper unit as you do your journey, with the phone in your pocket and the Royal Enfield app still active in the background, though the screen can be locked. Please make sure that any battery saving options are turned off while using the Tripper app so that it doesn't disconnect from the device. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the content today. If you have, please leave a sub. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. If you're a fan of the Royal Enfield Interceptors or Continental GTs, stick with us for more videos, more accessories. Links will be in the description for anything that I've shown. Have a good day. Ride safe.